Why most of us, is he afraid to take risks even when the chances of success are obvious? Why we choose a stable one, but an unloved job instead of the opportunity to create something of your own? The answer lies not in lack of knowledge or laziness. The answer is hidden deep in your skull, in a structure that is more than 100 million years old. Get to know each other. This is your amygdala. For your ancestor, losing a piece of meat meant starvation, and amygdala taught him to fear any loss more than anything else in the world. She's doing the same thing today. It reads currency depreciation or investment risk, like the attack of a saber-toothed tiger. This is the paradox of scarcity. Your brain, biologically programmed to survive, rather than flourish. And until you figure out how to disable this emergency mode, you will see the walls there where others can see the doors. Look at Jack Ma. In 1999, he gathered 17 friends in his apartment and invited them to invest in Alibaba. From a survival biology perspective, this was a pure risk with no guarantees. His brain would have whispered, "Enough, find any job, just survive." But Ma employed a strategy of rational optimism. He consciously ignored the fear signals, focusing on the future. The poverty gene is not a death sentence. It's just an old firmware in your brain. We're here to update it to version 2.0. Now you know that your brain can be your greatest ally or your most insidious enemy on the path to wealth, but knowledge without action is just information. In the comments, please share which fear signal you often notice in yourself. Let's break these patterns together. If you're ready to systematically change your financial mindset, subscribe to Money Explained. Here we explore not only numbers but also the mechanisms behind them. See you in the next video.